Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see how we can remove the navigation bars in RealMe 5 mobile. So if you are interested in knowing this feature, then watch this video till the last, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell button to receive the notifications of all the new videos. So let's get our video started. So guys, you can see that you cannot see any navigation bar in the bottom of the RealMe 5. So this is a RealMe 5 not Pro, just 5 with a 64 GB internal storage and 4 GB RAM variant, and you're going to get the quad camera setup as in the back and front camera. So I'm going to do a dedicated video on it on the camera itself. So in this video, let's talk about how to hide the navigation bar from the mobile. So this is the inbuilt feature that you get in the MIUI, that is the Me user interface. So what you have to do is you have to just go to the settings and you have to find the option called as convenience aid. So you get 3 options: navigation keys, the assistive balls, and the smart sliders. So in the navigation keys, you are going to get the 3 options, that is swipe gestures from both sides, virtual keys, and more. So if you click on more, you get swipe up gestures. You can on it. So there are 3 types of gestures, like 4 types, that is back at both the sides, and back at swipe up to go back in the both sides, that's right and left, swipe up in the middle to go to the home screen, and swipe up and hold to view the recent task. That is the back at both sides gestures. And if you go for the simple gestures, you're going to get swipe up to go to home screen, swipe up and hold to get the view recent task. And the back on the right option, you get a swipe up to view recent task on the left, swipe up to go to the home screen, and swipe up to go back. And the 4th option is back on the left, that is the vice versa of the opposite of the previous one, that is you'll get the swipe up on the left side, home on the middle, and the recent task in the right. So I'm going to select back on the right. So what happens is, now whenever you swipe your mobile from the right side of your screen, the application goes back, and while you swipe from the left side, you get the recent tab, as you can see over here. And if you swipe it from the middle, you're going to get the home screen. So this is how you can remove the or hide the navigation bar in your RealMe X5. So if you don't want this feature, then you can just come to the settings. You can find the convenience aid, or you can just type in the settings, you can just type gestures. So you're going to get the option swipe up gestures from both sides. So just click on it and you're good to go. So you're getting swipe up gestures from both sides. So click, or you can click up for the more, and you can select any one option from here. So I've selected the 3rd one, so it's a better option. If you want, you can select the 4th one, and let's see what's here. So there's hide gesture guide bar, so you can hide it, and there's a mismatch prevention for swipe up gestures. So while you're using a full landscape mode, in the mobile landscape mode, then you can swipe up once to bring up the guide bar, and then swipe it up again, so that you won't get misled with the touch. So I'll disable this for right now. So I'm using the back on the right option. So let's check. So it's in the home, so we are going for the menu, and let's check with the Amazon one. So Amazon's open, so we'll see what we can do. Like, okay, we'll open, and we'll just go, we'll see accessories. Okay, we have got many accessories over here. and you can see as many as. So let's check, let's swipe it back. So you can see it was a mistouch, can't see, so it has to come from the edge, so you have to be careful. Or if you want, you can use even third-party apps to enable gesture navigation, as you can, as I have showed already in how to hide the navigation bar in MI edges. So if you are interested, if you want to know about it, then this link of that video is given in the description. You can check it from there. So let's do it once again. So you have to just do it from the bottom. So you can see the back touch. Let's check once again. So because the sensitivity of this is a little low, so that it feels a little tough while using it before for some time, then you'll get used to it. So we have got mobiles, and now let's swipe it. So you can see that there's a little sensitivity problem, but yeah, you can if you get used to it, then you can use it easily. So you can see that there's a line in the down, because I think I can't focus it on my cell phone, sorry. So there's a line, so you can use it upon it, or you can use it from outside, so that your navigation will work properly. So this is how you can hide the navigation bar in your RealMe 5 cell phone. So thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell button so that you will receive the notifications of all the new videos from our channel. Thank you.